Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem this code in Dress to Impress. It is called the Lana Doll Dress and press redeem. And this is what the dress looks like, so we're gonna try it on. And this is what the dress looks like. It's super cute, and yeah, that is how you can redeem the Lana dress in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!